Today, we will talk about 19 of the most popular heart-healthy breakfast recipes. Eating a healthy breakfast is very important because it gives you energy and helps keep your heart strong and healthy. Your heart works all day and night to pump blood and keep you alive. To take care of your heart, you need to eat foods that are good for it. These breakfast recipes are made from healthy ingredients like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. They are low in bad fats, salt, and sugar. Let's start with avocado toast. This simple toast is made with whole grain bread and mashed avocado. Avocados have good fats that help your heart. Next is oatmeal with berries and milk. Oats have lots of fiber, and berries have antioxidants. Together, they keep your heart strong. Spinach omelet is another great choice. It has eggs and fresh spinach, full of vitamins and protein. Try hummus and veggie toast. Hummus gives you healthy fats, and veggies provide fiber and nutrients. Poached eggs on whole wheat sourdough with spinach is a tasty and healthy breakfast full of protein and iron. Breakfast burritos filled with beans and vegetables are delicious and packed with fiber and vitamins. A pomegranate smoothie is a refreshing drink full of antioxidants that protect your heart. Overnight oats with almond butter and apples are easy to make and keep you full longer. Cottage cheese with fruits is a good, protein-rich meal. Smoothie bowls with berries, chia seeds, and yogurt bring energy and heart benefits. Peanut butter and banana toast is a yummy combo with healthy fats and potassium. Broccoli cheese omelets are low in calories, but full of nutrients. Lemon blueberry overnight oats are refreshing and antioxidant-rich. Egg and cheese muffins are perfect for busy mornings with good protein. Baked blueberry oatmeal uses whole grains and natural sweetness from berries. Whole grain pancakes with blueberries make a healthy weekend treat. Veggie frittatas with asparagus are full of vitamins. French toast made with whole grain bread and cinnamon is a light, tasty choice. No-bake breakfast cookies made with oats and almond butter are quick and nutritious. All these breakfasts help your heart stay strong and healthy. Eating well every morning is the first step to a happy life. Try these heart-healthy recipes and feel better every day.